A green carpet for your garden. Ground cover plants are like a green carpet for your garden. They spread out and cover the soil. Ground cover plants add beauty to your garden. They are very useful too. Ground cover plants can transform your garden. They add color and texture. They create a beautiful backdrop for other plants. Ground cover plants are low maintenance. They are a great choice for any gardener. Start exploring the world of ground cover plants today.
Ground cover plants offer many benefits. They help control erosion by holding the soil in place. This is especially important on slopes. Ground cover plants suppress weeds. They block sunlight and prevent weed seeds from sprouting. This reduces the need for weeding. Ground cover plants improve soil health. They add organic matter to the soil as they decompose. This improves drainage and aeration. Ground cover plants provide habitat for beneficial insects. These insects help control pests and pollinate plants.
Evergreen ground covers provide year-round greenery. These plants are a fantastic addition to any garden, ensuring that your outdoor space remains vibrant and lush no matter the season. They are particularly valuable during the colder months when many other plants have lost their leaves and color. They keep your garden looking lush even in winter. When the landscape is often barren and bleak, these resilient plants maintain their foliage, offering a splash of green that can lift the spirits and enhance the beauty of your garden. Vinca minor, also known as periwinkle, is a popular evergreen ground cover. This plant is favored for its hardiness and ability to spread quickly, creating a dense mat of greenery that suppresses weeds and reduces the need for mulching. It has shiny, dark green leaves and delicate purple flowers in spring. These flowers add a touch of color to the garden, making Vinca minor not only practical but also aesthetically pleasing. The plant's low-growing habit makes it ideal for covering large areas with minimal effort. Pachysandra terminalis, or Japanese spurge, is another excellent choice. This plant is particularly well suited for shady areas where other plants might struggle. Its ability to thrive in low-light conditions makes it a versatile option for various garden settings. It thrives in shade and produces white flowers in spring. These small, fragrant flowers add a subtle charm to the garden, while the plant's evergreen leaves ensure that the area remains green and lively throughout the year. Ajuga reptans, commonly known as bugleweed, is a vigorous grower with attractive foliage. Its leaves come in various shades, from deep green to burgundy, providing a striking contrast to other plants in the garden. Evergreen ground covers are low maintenance and add structure to the garden. They require minimal care once established, making them an excellent choice for busy gardeners or those looking to reduce their garden maintenance workload. They provide a beautiful backdrop for other plants throughout the year. By incorporating evergreen ground covers into your garden design, you can create a cohesive and visually appealing landscape that remains attractive in every season. These plants not only enhance the garden's aesthetic, but also contribute to its overall health by preventing soil erosion and improving soil quality.
Flowering ground covers add a splash of color to your garden. These low-growing plants not only provide a vibrant carpet of hues, but also help to suppress weeds and retain soil moisture. They are an excellent choice for gardeners looking to create a visually appealing and low-maintenance landscape. Lamium maculatum, or spotted dead nettle, has silver-marked leaves and cheerful pink or purple flowers. This hardy plant thrives in shady areas, making it perfect for those tricky spots in your garden where other plants might struggle. Its foliage remains attractive throughout the growing season, adding texture and interest even when it's not in bloom. Sedum spurium, also known as stonecrop, is a drought-tolerant ground cover with succulent leaves and pink or red flower clusters. This resilient plant is ideal for sunny, dry areas where other plants might not survive. Its fleshy leaves store water, allowing it to thrive in tough conditions. Stonecrop's vibrant flowers attract pollinators and add a burst of color to your garden. Phlox subulata, or creeping phlox, forms a dense mat of foliage and explodes with a profusion of flowers in spring. This ground cover is perfect for rock gardens, slopes, and borders. Its evergreen foliage provides year-round interest, and its springtime blooms create a stunning display that can be seen from a distance. Creeping phlox is also deer-resistant, making it a great choice for gardens in areas with wildlife. Flowering ground covers attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. These beneficial insects are essential for the health of your garden, as they help to pollinate plants and ensure a bountiful harvest. By planting a variety of ground covers, you can create a habitat that supports a diverse range of pollinators, contributing to the overall health of your garden ecosystem. They create a lively and colorful display in your garden. The combination of different ground covers can result in a tapestry of textures and colors that change with the seasons. Whether you're looking to fill in gaps between larger plants or create a cohesive look across your garden, flowering ground covers offer a versatile and beautiful solution. Embrace the beauty and functionality of these plants to transform your garden into a vibrant oasis.
Section 5. Ground covers for sun and shade. Ground covers are essential in any garden, providing not only aesthetic appeal but also practical benefits such as soil erosion control, weed suppression, and moisture retention. In this section, we will explore various ground covers that thrive in both sunny and shady conditions, ensuring your garden remains vibrant and healthy throughout the year. Different ground covers thrive in different light conditions. Understanding the specific needs of your garden's microclimates is crucial for selecting the right plants. Some ground covers are sun-loving, basking in the full glory of the sun, while others prefer the cool, dappled light of shaded areas. By choosing the appropriate ground covers for each area, you can create a harmonious and visually appealing garden landscape. For sunny areas, consider Thymus sapilum, or creeping thyme, with its aromatic foliage and pink or purple flowers. This hardy plant not only adds a splash of color, but also releases a pleasant fragrance when walked upon. Creeping thyme is drought-tolerant and low maintenance, making it an excellent choice for sunny spots in your garden. It can be used between stepping stones, in rock gardens, or as a border plant. Obrietta deltoidea, or rock cress, is another sun-loving ground cover with a profusion of purple flowers in spring. This plant forms a dense mat of foliage which helps to suppress weeds and retain soil moisture. Rock cress is perfect for rock gardens, slopes, and as an edging plant. Its vibrant flowers attract pollinators, adding to the biodiversity of your garden. For shady spots, Liriopis spicata, or creeping lily turf, is an excellent choice with its grassy foliage and purple flower spikes. This versatile plant can tolerate a range of light conditions, from full shade to partial sun. Creeping lily turf is also known for its ability to thrive in poor soil conditions, making it a resilient option for challenging areas of your garden. Its dense growth habit helps to prevent soil erosion and suppress weeds. Dryopteris erythrosauра, or autumn fern, adds texture and interest with its delicate fronds. This fern is particularly valued for its coppery red new growth, which gradually matures to a deep green. Autumn fern is an excellent choice for shaded areas, providing year-round interest with its evergreen foliage. It thrives in moist, well-drained soil and can be used as a ground cover under trees, in woodland gardens, or along shaded borders. Choosing the right ground cover for the light conditions ensures healthy growth in a thriving garden. By understanding the specific needs of your garden's microclimates and selecting appropriate plants, you can create a beautiful and sustainable landscape. Ground covers not only enhance the visual appeal of your garden, but also contribute to its overall health and resilience. Whether you have sunny, shady, or mixed light conditions, there are ground covers that can meet your needs and help you achieve a lush, vibrant garden.
Section 6. Native and wildflower ground covers. Native and wildflower ground covers are well suited to local climates and soil conditions. Gallium odoratum, or sweet woodruff, is a fragrant native ground cover with delicate white flowers. Fragaria vesca, or wild strawberry, is a charming ground cover with edible berries. Native and wildflower ground covers support local ecosystems and attract beneficial insects. Consider incorporating native and wildflower ground covers into your garden for ecological and aesthetic benefits.
Section 7. Planting and design tips. When planting ground covers, prepare the soil by removing weeds and amending it with compost. Space the plants according to their mature size. Water regularly until they are established. Mulching around the plants helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Consider the growth habit of ground covers when designing your garden. Use them to create borders, fill in gaps between stepping stones, or cover large areas. Section 8. Creative landscaping with ground covers. Ground covers offer endless possibilities for creative landscaping. Use them to create a tapestry of textures and colors. Plant contrasting ground covers together for visual interest. Create pathways with ground covers and stepping stones. Ground covers can also be used to create living walls or to cascade over retaining walls.
Section 9. The versatility of ground cover plants. Ground cover plants are incredibly versatile. They offer a multitude of benefits from erosion control to weed suppression. They come in a wide variety of colors, textures, and growth habits. Ground cover plants can transform any garden into a lush and inviting space. Whether you have a small courtyard or a large garden, there's a ground cover plant for every need and preference.
Section 10. Experiment and enjoy. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ground cover plants in your garden. Mix and match different varieties to create unique combinations. Observe how they grow and adapt to your garden's conditions. Gardening is a journey of discovery and enjoyment. Embrace the beauty and versatility of ground cover plants and let them enhance your gardening experience.